guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Your girl has pink hair. You guys, I have been wanting to do this for the longest time ever, and I finally had the guts to do it, and I am absolutely loving it. I did wish I would have taken a lot longer doing it and actually like done stroke by stroke, but no, I was just trying to do it really fast because it was late at night, and I was like, you know what, if I don't do it today, I'm not gonna do it tomorrow, and then I would leave it until next week, and then you know how that goes. Anyways, as you guys could tell by the title, today I am filming for you guys an updated everyday makeup routine. So you guys, I've actually haven't been doing this for a very long time. It is definitely new. I've been using some new products that I'm absolutely obsessing over with, and I feel like I'm never gonna get over them. This makeup routine honestly takes me like 10 to 15 minutes. Just to make it clear, definitely could pull this off in under 15 minutes. Before we continue, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe now to join the Raya family. Also make sure to click that little bell notification button. It's right next to the subscribe. That will literally notify you guys whenever I upload a new video. That way you guys don't miss it out. But anyways, if you guys would like to see how I accomplish this makeup look, just keep on watching. So first things first is to moisturize my face. I use this aloe vera soothing gel spray. You guys know I've been obsessed with this since like day one. So then I'm gonna go in with the Aveeno moisturizer. I have also been using this for a very long time already. I had to restock, so I went to the store today to buy a new one, and it is just such a great moisturizer. It doesn't make me break out. Foundation, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible the Pro Matte in the shade 105. I do think this is a little bit too dark for me, but I'm really not gonna buy another one until I finish this one. It's like orangey on my skin, like it's different. I try not to put my foundation on my lids just because I don't put any eyeshadow. So, natural tiredness. Okay, we're good on foundation. Moving on to the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I like to use this for my under eyes. Also brand new. I had to restock on this. Like, these honestly last me so long. I think I could go like maybe 4 months with these. Okay, to set my concealer, I like to go in with this Airspun. This is actually a drugstore product, and I have been obsessing over it. Like, I honestly traded my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder for this, and I thought I would never find anything like a better. So basically I just put some under my eyes and right here and on my forehead, and then I go in with my bronzer, Physicians Formula. This is the butter bronzer in the shade Sunkissed Bronze, and I do go in with the setting powder to cut it in. I need a mirror. I like to put some on my forehead and on the bottom of my chin, and then I go back in with the loose powder and kind of like carve that out. After that, I contour my nose really quick, and I just use a small little blending brush. I mean, if I have the time to contour my nose, then I'm gonna do it. And I'm also gonna put a little bit right underneath my bottom lip. And then I could go in and do my eyebrows. So first thing first is comb them to make sure all the little hairs are in the right place. I do use powder. I don't use any pencils. So I've been using the City Color Bold Brow, and it's basically just like a powder. And so I do wet my brush a little bit, and then I go in with the lightest brown in this palette and then just fill in my eyebrows. So I definitely go in really lightly since my eyebrows are pretty much the shape that I want them to be. Like, that is all I literally had to do. And then I like to comb it one last time. That way there's no like harsh lines, and then I move on to the next one. This one actually does need a little bit more work than the other brow. Eyebrows on bleak. The next thing that I do is put on some blush. This has been my go-to blush since day one. This is the NARS blush in Orgasm. It's just this pretty sparkly pink, and I just put it right on my cheeks, and I kind of like to smile so I could get that little round cheek, and then blend it in with my bronzer, just kind of bringing it up. And then I do the other one, and then I also like to add some right underneath the bronzer that we put on the forehead. So for my eyelashes, I've been using this like little set. This is Kiss. You could get this at any drugstore. I get these at Ulta, and I believe they're $12, and I do get them with a 20% off, so I pay less. So I definitely do like to cut those, and you guys know I put them right underneath my eyelashes, so I do like to cut them in 4s. I used to do 3, but now I do 4 because I feel like it's a lot easier. It's easier to work with because the pieces are a lot smaller. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl the eyelashes. I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start applying these eyelashes. Like these, you guys, is just the fastest thing ever. Okay, so there's one, and then the final one. A full set of lashes, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one now. I do like to curl my eyelashes with the falsie eyelashes, that way they stick together, but I don't do it right away because, you know, the glue could still move around, so I like to wait a little bit until they're like absolutely dry. So meanwhile, I'm gonna go into the highlighter, but I am gonna spray my face one last time with this. By the way, I've been telling everyone about that spray, and it's so hard to find. It's literally like a hit or miss at TJ Maxx, and since I feel like I've told everyone, every time I go to TJ Maxx, it's like gone now, and it's so sad because I only have 2 bottles left, and the thought of that scares me, like to run out of it. Oh, by the way, I'm going in with the Emeryzy highlighter. I got this not that long ago, and the first day that I tried it out, I didn't really like it, and then after that, I was like, oh, you know what? This is pretty cool. And the reason why I started noticing is because when I would wear it, and then later that night people would be like, damn, your highlighter is popping, and I would be like, what? So it's definitely this. If you guys haven't tried it, definitely give it a try. Do you guys see how glowy and popping that is? I also like to put some on the tip of my nose, the bridge, and then also right here. And then I go in with a smaller brush and put some on my inner eyes. And that is basically it. So this is like my literally go-to like super fast makeup look. I've come a long way. I do take less doing my makeup now than I used to before, and I normally don't wear any lipstick, but I am gonna go in today and put this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Hudson, and this is almost like a little brown shade. Ever since I've been using a darker shade, I could actually like overline my lips. Since I have always been used to like using lighter shades, like it's just impossible for me to overline my lips, but with this I could definitely do it, and it just literally makes my lips look a lot bigger. And yeah, okay, so this would be like my regular size lips. I did go a little bit over on the top, but I could go a little bit more. And then on the bottom, this is where I could be a little bit more free. So I definitely overlined the bottom lip. You guys could see that. And then also like shading the bottom lip gives the illusion of a bigger, fuller lip. So that's basically it, guys, I think. And now I could go in and curl my eyelashes together. And then finally, I could go in with my mascara. By the way, I am using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. I have been using this for a very long time. I want to say I've had this for like almost 8 months. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think about this pink hair. I know it is not completely pink. I definitely do need to work on it. I'm thinking I'm gonna have pink hair for like a month. Let me know what your thoughts are on this pink hair. If it's a yay or a nay, if it's here to stay, or if it's gotta go. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not subscribed to join the Raya family, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.